Can't quite reach it.
G.I. Curly! Get your ass in here!
Fuck, man. I wonder what he wants.
Don't worry about it. Probably just shout out some shitty excuse for you to run laps with. You've been thinning out.
Well, maybe if they gave us some actual food so that she's
Yeah, you know what? Get the fuck in there before he gets on my ass for holding you up.
Sir.
Right. Sir. Can you just tell me right now why the hell you weren't working on that helicopter this morning?
Sir, I was working.
No, you sure as shit were not. I walked right past that goddamn bird, and the only thing I saw was G.I. Mo with his thumbs up his ass, waiting for his partner to come and help him.
Sir, I was under.
Under what? Your bed covers? Look, Curly, there's a reason we have a height requirement to work on a bird. So even if your ass was under there, we would have seen your scrawny little legs sticking out, huh? You need some fucking discipline in your life. You are running laps around the gym for the rest of the afternoon. Get the fuck out of my office.
Yes, sir. Looks like these birds like you are gonna play some pistol training again.
For real? See, that's what pisses me off about that guy. Not even a year ago, he was drinking all our booze and dancing around the base. Finally he gets promoted and he thinks it's his duty to jerk us around all day long. I don't get it. What happened to the brotherhood, huh? Kicking ass out here? Yeah, right. His head's so far off his ass now, he couldn't give a shit about us if he wanted to.
Just get back to work before he hears you.
G.I. Mo! Get your ass in here!
So you see me?
Oh, right. Sorry. My hat must have been too far up my ass to hear you. Mo, can you tell me what this is?
Your hand, sir.
Come stand under it. This is the height requirement for working on a bird. And it looks like you're just a little too damn short.
So it's only an inch?
It's only an inch. It is our duty and responsibility to follow the instructions we have been given for our safety to the T, goddammit. If it is just an inch, then it's just an inch and too goddamn bad. You're doing PT with your stupid looking partner over there for the rest of the day. Get the fuck out of my office.
Fucking believe it.
Yeah, well, get at it. Don't give him any more reasons to call us in there.
You just wait. One of these days we're all gonna be off duty. I'm gonna teach him a lesson. Have some respect.
I seen anybody working on the bird.
Sir, you said that.
I don't give a good goddamn what you heard me say. That bird goes out in 48 hours with my ass in the seat. So, you two
I'm going to be working on it for the rest of the day. It is nowhere near ready to fly, and it fucking better be.
Hey, it's fancy music.
Yeah, right. It was your ass getting chewed out for it.
Yeah, well, screw it anyway.
Hey, Curly, will you turn it up? I can't hear a goddamn thing down here.
right idea to blame it on me. Jesus Christ, I can't leave you alone for a goddamn minute. Where's your stupid looking bird, huh?
Hey, Curly, what the fuck is the music?
Easter. Fuck. Somebody was actually fucking under there? Jesus Christ, you could have been fucking killed. I can't leave you two alone for a goddamn minute without you fucking something up. Sorry. Jesus. Take the rest of the day off. I don't want to see your asses